Or you guys plan on taking the COVID vaccine shot? Well, hell no. I ain't gonna let them put that in my body. What's wrong with you? Just saying, it may not be all that healthy. Some people think it is. Some of us care a great deal about our health. And we ain't just all a bunch of sheep, see? No, man. Not gonna take it. Not gonna take it. Not good. That stuff may not be healthy. Buddy of mine took the vaccine. Swear to God, 2 weeks later, to the day, wife left him. I'm not even sure that any of this stuff is real. Oh, I just bit into some lettuce. Okay, before you get your panties in a bunch, first of all, I was just having a lighthearted fun. Most making fun of myself, because I've struggled with the whole vaccine shot, everything. But then I realized I put all this crap in my body, and I'm obviously not a picture of health, so I'm going to question, which I've never questioned before, ever, my doctor, ibuprofen, or I've never questioned what's in it. I don't, prescription drugs over the years, I've taken them, I've given them to my children. My doctor tells me my daughter needs emergency surgery. I don't question it. I hate it, but I let them do it. I got to trust somebody about stuff that I'm ignorant on. And I have no knowledge on these issues, so I have to trust somebody. So I pay my doctor for his advice. He's educated on this much more than I am. I got to trust somebody smarter than me. And I know if I'm going to be stuck on an island, I'm going to ask the professor before I listen to Gilligan. Pretty sure my doctor knows more than the guys I work with, or the guys down at the bar, or the guy at the garage, my buddy at the garage. I wouldn't ask my doctor to rebuild my transmission, but I wouldn't ask my mechanic about the vaccine. Look, I understand people being apprehensive. I understand people not trusting. I mean, literally, everybody should understand both sides of this argument. You know, we struggle. No one wants to die. No one wants bad things to happen to anybody. I'm not trusting the CDC. I'm not trusting the FDA. I'm not trusting any. I'm trusting my doctor, who I have trusted with my health for a very long time. I've skirted death more than a handful of times. Had some emergency surgeries. Look, I'm not saying you should do what you should or shouldn't do. I'm just saying what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. And I encourage the people that I love to do the same thing because I love them. I'm not trying to control anybody. And my family and friends know that. And I have some that are anti-vaccine. They're scared, they're apprehensive. And I'm not saying they're wrong, because I personally don't know.